I was one among you a few months back sitting out there and listening to these webinars and sessions, giving multiple tests, but the result was failure. I didn't get through anything. But then I got through this NG's training program. They have got a job guarantee program called NDS. So when you go through that, you will understand like what it is. So they will assure you the job, and the training is so accurate that like you will reach the end goal. There is no deviation in the path. So like it will take you to the end goal.
Sorry to interrupt. You just tell them the process. जो आपका placement process है ना, ये आप इनको क्या करेंगे?
Yeah, so sure. So like initially, like when you connect with them, like they'll give you a clear path, like what it is, how you will reach the goal. Like the day one, what commitment they'll give you, right? So every day they'll work towards it, like to achieve it. Because like they won't give you, like it is not one of the other institute, they'll give just training and they'll ask you like go and find the job. No, they will take care of everything. So like when you're part of NGO on the first day, whatever the commitment they do, every day they'll like work towards fulfilling. And today, like if I have to share my experience with like I never even imagined on the first day that I will be achieving what I have done today. So like it is all because of NG's wonderful team, because they have got a wonderful team, and the CEO, Mr. Nitin Goswami sir, like he will like you can access him easily and you can share your thoughts, you can clear your doubts and everything. You can connect with him and he will motivate you. He'll give the guidelines like what to do, what not to do, when to do, like everything they have set up prescribed path. So you just need to follow it. That is not like आपको पता होगा कि ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बनता है. So like you have to give it your best shot, and rest NG will take care. So today if I have to share my experience, today I got placed at Cisco at a package of 16.65 LPA. So I never even imagined
That's
that.
huge. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Well done, Sohan.
So I got surprised, like whether I'll be achieving this one day, but I didn't even imagine that I'll be achieving this, because this is all because of NG's wonderful. Like they have got a training program that is like pretty it won't it will always take you to the particular goal. Like there is no deviation in that particular goal. So you will achieve it, but you need to give your best shot. You must be prepared. Whatever the training content they'll provide you, like you go through it, you give your 100%. Rest NG will take care of it. But that I can assure you, and I'm again emphasizing the statement that NG is not like any other institute. They, whatever the commitment they do, they will fulfill it. They will work towards it, and just you need to take care of your things. That is what study whatever the contents they do provide you. You just be prepared with that and give the screening at different times, and rest they will take care of you. That I can assure you that I'm one of the example and sharing my success story with you all. Thank you everyone.
Fantastic.